everyone, thank you for joining me. Welcome to Abuelas Crafts. And for those who are curious, abuela means grandma in Spanish. My name is Lourdes, but my friends call me Lou for short. In my channel, I'll be focusing on inexpensive and repurposing DIYs. Please, if you enjoy my crafts and my videos, please give it a thumbs up and comment. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you can be notified. Oh, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all my future videos. With all that being said, let's get into crafting. Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. We're on our first DIY here. As you can see, I have these large hearts that we're going to get together, glue together. But first, we're going to paint the edges here. These hearts come with these little cutouts that need to come out, right? We're going to use the little styrofoam, fluorofoam, when they're glued together to pick the flowers on. We're going to cover this with a napkin from the dollar store, or these are from the dollar store, as well as this. We'll paint the edge a white, a chalk paint from Waverly. What else? We'll do a little styrofoam heart flower, or rather hanger. Okay, let's do our first step, which is to get these cutouts out. And don't throw them away, because you can always use them for something else. Our second DIY, well, I'll be using a couple of these. Let's cut these out. And let's get to painting. And then I'll get back to you. I've heard from someone, a tidbit is to wet the brush before you dip it in the chalk paint. Okay? Okay, almost done here with this one. Don't forget to get the sides, because you'll be able to see that. And we're gonna go on to the second one. I've noticed on this one, only one side has glitter, but you want the same texture on both sides, so do the glitter side. Our next step is to actually glue these together so we can go on to our next. So on to our next step. I have this little fluorofoam that I want to use to put flowers in. We're going to cover with this little napkin that I got at dollar store. Okay, so now on to our flowers. So I have these flowers here. We're going to pick a few and fill and put them on this little block, and then we'll go on to our next step, okay? See that? Okay, so our next is to put a bow together so we can put it up here between the two hearts. So let's see, I've got some put aside. I got some red. I'm just going to cut them a little bit longer than I anticipate. And then we'll make a messy bow. I'm going to make another little bundle of this, and we'll put it here in the middle. I learned this from another YouTuber, and her name is Kelly Barstow from Kelly Barstow Creations. Three little bundles, offset, and you glue them together. All we need to do is put our string on. Here we are with our new hanging for our door, or as a gift. Tell me what you think.